Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss the term Grammar of Narration. Introduction. The grammar of narration is a branch of literary analysis that focuses on special grammatical usage found in fictional narratives. It involves the systematic study of how language is used to convey narrative elements such as deictics, that is, the words like now, then, here and there, personal pronouns, and verb tenses, which play a crucial role in shaping the temporal and spatial dimensions of the story. The analysis of narration's grammar delves into the intricacies of how these linguistic devices create shifts in reference points and perspectives, influencing the reader's perception of the unfolding events. Kate Hamburger's contributions. One of the pioneers in the study of the grammar of narration was Kate Hamburger, whose work, The Logic of Literature, laid the foundation for this field of research. Hamburger's examination of fictional narratives shed light on the significance of deictics and how their reference can change depending on narrator's position in time and space. For instance, as the narrative moves between the past tense used by the narrator to recount events and the present tense experienced by a character in the story, the references of deictics continuously shift or merge. Free direct discourse. Another important aspect explored within the grammar of narration is the concept of free direct discourse or represented speech and thought. This phenomenon is characterized by the shifts in pronouns, adverbs, tense and grammatical mode when reporting a character's inner thoughts and speech. The narrative may transition between direct reproductions of characters' thoughts and the indirect representation by the narrator, resulting in variations in how the character's thoughts and speech are expressed. Illustrating free direct discourse. For example, a direct representation of character's thought may appear as, "He thought, I will see her home now," and may then stop at my mother's. In an indirect representation, this thought might transform into, "He thought that he would see her home and then maybe stop at his mother's." In the case of free direct representation, the sentence could change to, "He would see her home then and might afterward stop at his mother's." Grammar's impact on narrative. The grammar of narration plays a significant role in shaping the reader's understanding of the narrative as it governs the temporal and spatial dimensions, perspective shifts, and emotional portrayal of characters. Understanding these grammatical nuances enriches the reader's engagement with the text and provides insights into the author's stylistic choices and narrative intentions. Conclusion. In conclusion, the study of the grammar of narration is an essential aspect of literary analysis, enabling scholars to uncover the intricacies of language usage within fictional narratives. The examination of deictics and shifts in representation provides valuable insights into how authors construct their narratives and shape the reader's experience. The works of Kate Hamburger, Roy Pascal, Dorrit Cohen, and Anne Banfield have contributed significantly to the understanding of this field, enriching the study of fiction and enhancing our appreciation of literary craftsmanship. So this was the discussion on the term grammar of narration. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.